Hi, this is Group Two's Programming One project with Juan, Jacques, Ronaldo, Chelsea, and myself, Michelle.
Hello, I'm Chelsea. I'm part of Group 2, and I'm responsible for designing and implementing the node class, which represents each question or animal in the decision tree. It also includes managing the data stored in each node and the links to the yes and no branches. For example, creating a node class that stores the question, does it live in water? Where one branch leads to is it a shark and the other to is it a dog?
I'll be in charge of the decision tree and logic developer. That includes the logic for traversing the tree based on user response and updating the tree when the program learns a new animal. An example would be if the program guesses dog, but the user was thinking of a cat. The member code adds a new question like, does it meow? And it updates the tree so future guesses are more accurate.
Hi, my name is Jacques Hebert, and I'm going to be the game controller developer. I'm responsible for the game class, which manages the overall flow of the application. This includes starting the game, controlling each round, and coordinating interactions between the decision tree and the user interface. Example would be displaying, think of an animal, running one full guess round, and then asking, do you want to play again? Before restarting or exiting the program.
Hi, I'm Rolando Quintana. I will be responsible for handling all user interactions through the user interface class. This includes displaying the questions, collecting the user input, and validating responses to ensure smooth communication between the user and the program. An example where my role could be useful is ensuring the user only enters a yes or no question, and perhaps prompting again if they type something invalid into the space.
Hi, I'm Han, and I'll be managing the File Manager developer. I'm responsible for implementing the File Manager class, which handles saving and loading the decision tree from a file. This allows a program to retain learned animals and questions even after it is closed and restarted. For an example, it would be saving the updated tree to a file after learning cat and loading that data the next time the program starts, so it already knows both dog and cat. The goal is to create a Java game in which the user and the computer play a guess the animal game together. The program asks the user yes or no questions to identify an animal they are thinking of. It uses a decision tree structure to navigate through questions and make guesses.